Hi everyone, it's Catherine, and today I am going to do not quite an unboxing because everything's unboxed, but just show you the contents of the May Sunflowers and Sunshine Planners Anonymous kit. So, excuse me, I'm hiccuping. In every box you get this cute little die cut, and it has a little note. Can pause that and read it if you like, and that's just a note from the company, and then you can laminate and use that die cut. Now this, you're probably wondering what is going on with this traveler's notebook. This was a separate purchase. I'm going to go through the kit and then I'll tell you all about this. Okay, so let's move this out of the way for now. And every month you're going to get your journaling cards. Be a sunflower, stand still and look for the light. Good morning, sunshine. Be your gorgeous blooming self. These boots are made for planning. A little sunshine to your day. Ride and be free. Now, all of the paper products are made of the same paper. So this is just your basic cardstock. It feels a little bit lighter than the 65-pound cardstock I usually use. Wait, no, sorry, 110 pound. So this might actually be 65 pound. And then we have the die cut. And I've kind of taken these things out just for ease. I like that they give so many, and just there's a really good variety. Okay. And then we have the stamp set. If you're big into stamping, I feel like this makes this kit a particularly good value, just because a full-size stamp set, and this is a full-size stamp set every single month, it's a 4x6, you're generally going to pay $15 for one anywhere you go. That is the going rate for one of these stamp sets with basically every single company. And then the pens tend to run about $13. This is, you know, the quality is the same as anything you would get from Couture pens or Pen Gems. These now say Planners Anonymous on the little clip, but these run about $13. This runs about $15, so you're already up to $28. And this is an Australian company, but right now the exchange rate is really working in my favor, so it's $33.50, I want to say, per month that I am spending on this kit. So I mean, that's the bulk of it, the cost right there. And then you're getting 3 rolls of washi tape, the stickers, the die cuts, the papers, all of that. So I feel like the value really is there. And with, you know, quote, boutique washi, you might pay what, $4-5 a roll, which is, I mean, in my opinion, it's a little ridiculous. I still spend it because I am a heavy washi user, but you know, that's the cost of your kit right there. I mean, really, that's the cost. So yeah, if you're wondering if this is a good value for money, I really feel like it is. I've never been displeased with the quality of the items, and if you are in the US, it is a particularly good value, and I love their washi tape. Every single month, I love it. And I don't use as many stickers as I would like to use. There are some months where I use a ton and other months where I don't, and I feel like they give a really good amount. I've only bought the sticker kit once, and I really liked everything I got in it. And then I was gifted the sticker kit once because of just an issue with an order. And yeah, so they give a generous amount of stickers in their sticker kits, more than anyone else. So yes, now they have changed this. If you've seen my other videos, you know that the stickers used to be 8 2x3-inch sheets. So a little smaller than this, or I guess like this length, but a little bit more narrow. And I feel like we're getting the same amount of stickers. This month, well, I guess this was last month, but so May and June, we have the bigger sticker sheets, and I want to say it's probably down to this sticker. If you're unfamiliar with how these work, what you do is you take this part, okay, you're going to want to lift this up, and you're going to want to lift it to like the midsection, and you fold this back, and this is the part that's going to stick to your page, okay? Just this one section, because then you're going to have that cover that opens. Does that make sense? I think it's really cute. I've seen other companies do it. I have not bought those stickers. I've wanted to try them, and I love that I got the opportunity to do that here. These are like car stickers that my son will totally steal from me. He is very into yellow, and sunflowers are his favorite. So yes, I expect a lot of this kit will be stolen. This month they're not as thrilling. Usually they're just made of the same pattern, like the same paper, they just punch them. This one, they're watercolor swatches, and I actually think that works better. So sometimes when you have patterns like this, it's too busy and you can't read the writing, so you end up needing to use like a sticker with like a white background. And I like that this way you don't have to do that. Okay. And then these are the papers. And if you're wondering where I'm filming today, I am inside a ginormous light box, more or less. And they're the same. So yes, there's 2, 4, 6, there's 3 sheets, and they're double-sided. A lot of people are like, well, how do I use this? Some people, because they are always like big pictures, and sometimes it's not practical to use them. If you're in a B6 or something like that, or a standard, you could easily use at least this one as a dashboard, but I know a lot of people frame these, which is a good idea. And then I already have a sequin that got loose. I love that their sequins always include shaped sequins. So we have 2 different little flowers, 3 flowers, if you can see, and leaves. All right, well, I'll clean it up later. And then you get an ink pad, so you're kind of good to go right out of the gate. And okay, so I am going to share this with you. Let me move these out of the way. Okay, just get some space. Now I'm going to show you the listing because the listing is kind of still up. You can't buy it. But as you can see, you'll get the B6 notebook, printed exclusive insert, printable access to the exclusive insert, 2 little Missy sheets, and 2 exclusive planner sticker sheets. I want to point something out. I may have access to this insert, but I can't find it. It's not in my account. There's nowhere to click. I was never emailed a link. So I'm going to need to contact the company and say, hey guys, what's going on? Because this insert that comes with it is very different than the others actually. And I can actually show you them really quickly. Okay, so these are their Luke's printable inserts, and they are different. So you can choose dated or undated. And you can see this all on their website, but I just wanted to give you like a brief preview so you can see that it is different. But I am going to need to contact them because it did come with supposed access to this, but there is no access. And I do actually really like this insert, and I thought it was smart of them to offer the insert printed so you could just like get to work, but also the printable access so that you could continue to use this insert. And if you liked it, you might buy their inserts. I feel that they're a little bit pricey, and they've broken it into 3 different inserts, 2 different B6s, and then one that's a personal size that you can chop off the bottom to make it a pocket. And yeah, I feel like they're they were smart, because if you like it, you might buy them, but they are pricey for what they are if you compare them to like any plans or something like that. But they will match your kit every month, so if that's important to you, because they don't do really any other digitals. I am definitely a digital person. I love that stuff, but that was really cute. So yes, and that's the website. If I find out about the digital insert and stuff like that, I will post that down below. So we got 2 of these, and now in the main sticker kit, this and this are featured. I don't believe the spine, and definitely not the coffee cup. So these are exclusive to this kit, and I am glad they're there because I always like decorate with my little coffee cups. And these are their Little Missy stickers. These ones are exclusive to this kit, but if you like the artwork, you can actually buy stickers with these specific girls. Okay, now this is the Traveler's Notebook. I do want to point out I have augmented it. This is a piece of plastic packaging, and I just cut holes. Okay, so you can tie a knot, but sometimes that makes the elastic a little too short. It kind of depends. Sometimes you get a longer one and it's not a problem, but I generally find that even if you tie a knot at the end, this can still warp, and I have found the best success with just using some thick plastic, and this is from like a Silhouette blade, replacement blade package. So this is very, very thick and sturdy. It just prevents the warping by stabilizing that material right from the get-go, and it just seems to work better in my experience. Then the pockets, we have big secretarial pockets, and then slip pockets here. I like the way that they did this. We have the embossing on the spine and in the interior. These are very, very similar to Webster's Pages planners. Oh, I've got sequins stuck all over me. Okay, they're very similar in quality and feel, but I would say they are more on par with the newer Webster's Pages planners as opposed to the older ones. And feel-wise, I was very pleasantly surprised when I took this out of the packaging. It does feel like a nice quality planner, and I want to say that this kit, the insert, the supposed printable inserts, the planner, and the stickers, I want to say it was $56 US, and then they put it in with the next month's kit. So you had to be a subscriber to purchase this. That was non-negotiable, and that seems to be the thing with any of their special kits and things like that. You cannot buy like their one-offs. You must be a subscriber. So it's different from like Mummy Lay, where when she offers extra kits, not the ones that you'll get like from the month prior, but she was doing grab bags and things like that. You did not need to be a subscriber. They are available like on our website right now, anything that's left over. So there are a few previous kits, and you can buy just one box. This works very differently. You must be a subscriber, and you cannot purchase this otherwise. So, and you have to be logged into your account to even access the page. Yes. Now, for like the little Missy stickers, this is part of their sticker shop, and if I'm not mistaken, anyone can purchase them. You don't need to subscribe to their kits. These are kind of separate. So you can visit like on their website. It'll be on the top left-hand part of the screen. It'll say their sticker store, and you can just buy. So yeah, that is the kit. That is the Traveler's Notebook. I hope you guys liked this video. If you want to subscribe to this kit, I will have a referral link down below. I'll get 10% off my next box, but you will also get 10% off your next box. And as you can see, I'm very happy with the kit. And their customer service has been stellar so far, so I'm sure the printable insert thing will be a non-issue, but I will put that in the description what happens when I find out. I will put that down below, so if you're interested, you can kind of just check back. And yeah, questions, comments, leave them down below. Love to hear from you guys. And that's all for this time. Bye.